Rob Barlow here, Whitewater Gun Dogs. We're going to do a little different control drill than we've showed you in the past. It's just the same sort of setup, but more advanced, a little bit tougher. We got Maddie we're going to start with. We ran a couple trials. The dogs are getting a little bit loose in the trial, so we're going to come back and do some control stuff. No collar. Just listen to me and go where I tell you. So with that, we're going to get started. We're going to take her out, set her at this flag out here. It's 40 yards. Here. Hop. 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 Good girl. So what we're going to do here, we're going to throw this white clip wing out. I'm using this short grass field, because I want them to see the bird. I want this as tempting as we can get. Hop. Good girl. Good, hop, hop. Good job. Here. Let's go. Get down. Good girl. All right. Good. Good. Up. Now let's work her up to this one. Fair. Good. Good girl. Good girl. There you go. Good girl. Good, good, good. Up. Good job. Good job. Just a control drill. We got a good correction verbally on this. You know, I could have had a collar on her. We could have done a correction with the collar, but we don't run it. We don't get to run them with a collar on. So she needs to have some personal corrections between me and her. So after that, she did pretty good. We're going to run a couple more dogs on this and see how they go. Maddie, good girl. Hi, it's pretty fun, huh? All right, good girl. Then we're going to do the same drill with Maverick, as you noticed with Maddie and him and the other dogs we're going to run. No collars on. We don't get the red collars in a field trial. You know, this has got to be between me and the dog. He has to understand that I can control him. I don't need electricity to control him. You know, they're all collar conditioned. They all should respond. I had to get on Maddie a little bit on the last one, but she did all right after that. This dog, he's like 22 months old. Let's see what he does. Up, here, come on. Up, good boy, good job. Up, good, up. Okay, we're using dead birds in this field. I want this grass as short as I can get it, so they can see these white pigeons. So the dead birds, they just lay flat. You know, I can hide them. I don't have any temptations for them to go get it. Hop! Hop. Boy. Hop. Here, good job. Hop. Hop, hop. Good. Hop, good job. Hop. Good boy. We got that big white pigeon sitting out there. Kind of hard for them to get their mind off that. Like he's ready to go. No. Come on, good boy. There you go. Good job. Here. Good. Hop. Hop. Good. Pretty tough, huh? Let's go, get out. Good job, buddy. Good. Good job. Let's go. No, come on. Atta boy. Good job. No, here. Good. Yeah. No, no. Good boy. Can't have it yet. Good job. Good job. Next time. There you go. Okay. Good job, huh, buddy? That's pretty good, huh? Huh? Up. So, you know, made me work a little harder than the last dog, but he's half the age, half the experience, but still he ran good. He did it. Yeah, I'm gonna like this drill. We got 3 weeks before our next trial. I'm gonna be running this drill quite a bit. Here, up, let's go get the next dog. So, here's our last dog we're going to run on this drill. So these flags are 40 yards apart. Probably could stretch them out maybe to 45 or 50, give me a little bit more room, but yeah, I like where it is. Their dogs are, I'm getting what I want with the dogs. This is, you know, our 7-year-old field trial champion. He should do it, but they're dogs, you don't know. So let's get started. Up, up. So we're throwing this big white bird out, bringing them in and casting them to another bird, getting them to ignore that bird, putting them on another bird, then we'll repeat it again, and then we're quartering them up to the first bird that we threw out. So they're getting a reward for taking the cast off that bird, you know, getting their mind off that bird and casting to another bird. Yeah, huh? Thinking about that other bird too much, weren't you? Huh? Yeah, still thinking about it. See, he's looking at it. He thinks he gets to go get it. No. No. Here. Yeah. No. Hop. Hop. You don't get it. Good boy. You can see the temptation. You know, he wants that bird. He knows it's out there. Like I said, this is just another version of a control drill that we do. Yeah. You can't have that one. No, come on. There you go. Good boy. So now we got him all confused. He wants that one, and then he wants that one. Now he wants that one. Here. Get out. Good boy. Good. Good. Up. Good. Good job. Up. Nice job. Here. Let's go. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. Good job. Hup, hup. So even with this guy, he fought me a little bit too. I want to do this drill enough in the next couple, 3 weeks. Here, Hawk, here, come here. I want to do this drill enough in the next 3 weeks that they're relaxed. You know, there's no, I want to go get this one. They're just going to go where I tell them to go and just be comfortable with it. You know, we might have to do it a lot, and maybe not, but we're going to find out. Hey, like our page, make some comments, ask some questions, and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.